See, you like it. You're feeling yourself in the ring light. We're back.
We're back.
For another unboxing. He just happens to be here every time that I get these boxes, and it's more fun to open them with somebody else.
Yeah.
So this time, Walt Life reached out to me and wanted to send me another box to open. So I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah, this one's gonna be awesome.
Just talk about the packaging.
It's pretty awesome, for sure.
This is another subscription box.
But they have a bunch of different sizes and types, and for boy, girl.
That's right, you get to choose your preferences. So you say which gender you prefer, or neutral, and then the age group. I think it's like kids, teens, 18 and older, stuff like that. So for this box, I went with neutral and then 18 and older, so that we get a mix of both. It's not like curated one way. So yeah, if you want to check out Walt Life, I'll leave the link in the description box down below so you can get your own box. They have different sizes and prices, a little bit of everything.
It's like Christmas. Christmas?
You put it in there. All right.
You ready?
Yeah. Whoa, what do we got going on?
Here we go. What an awesome prize.
Yeah, snap, post, win.
Snap, post, and win.
I will be snapping, posting, and winning.
Well, snapping and posting, probably.
I'll be a winner.
Oh. Looks like we got some fun little packaging here, a little shiny.
I'm grabbing
I don't think that's a shiny. I think that's an actual thing.
I already like that.
I really like that.
It feels soft. It's a plush.
It's a little keychain thing. That money.
It's a Tsum Tsum.
What's a Tsum Tsum?
A little round.
We'll open it up for the people to see.
So cute.
It's got a little rocket ship.
It's like a little rocket.
Oh, it's a Mickey on a rocket.
It's not Mickey.
Well,
I think it's Oswald.
It's not a little rocket ship.
Cute. Love that. What else?
Okay.
We got obviously this.
Yeah, let's pull that out since it's
This
just
is
right
cute.
there in our face. I think I see snacks. We see snacks.
This cute water bottle.
Yes. Oh, I like that water bottle actually a lot.
ASMR.
It's not that kind of video. I like this though.
I like
That
it.
seems like it'd be pretty secure.
I actually need a water bottle, so
Yeah.
that's kind of lit.
I do too. That's weird. That'll be good for when we go to the park coming this Valentine's Day near
Yeah,
you.
a couple weeks. All right, let's move some of these worms out of the way.
Get them out. Do you see? Yes.
Jelly beans. So these, I've actually never seen these either. Mickey Mouse jelly beans.
Oh, okay. Sprinkles. Rude. We're filming.
Yeah.
Yeah, those look good.
Yeah, we love a good snack on this channel.
Berry cherry, sour cherry. Oh, that's scary.
Sour, love that. Next.
Next, we got some worms in the way here. Let's see.
I think it's a
I
towel.
think it's a little dish towel.
Worms everywhere.
Worms everywhere. Oh, it is. It is a little dish towel. Oh,
Cute! We
Mickey
put that
pepper on
like
it.
on the stove, you know, like the handle.
I mean, this would probably look pretty good in our new apartment when we get one.
That's really cute.
Yeah, I like that.
If that's a coaster, I swear to God.
Those
So cute.
coasters. One for me, one for you.
Those are so cute.
That's awesome. Look at that.
So cute.
Those are really, really cute. Love
This
that.
is the kind of Disney I want in my house, like
Yeah.
subtle. Is that a coloring book? Rogue One? Star Wars?
It's a very big coloring book.
Ooh, I love adult coloring books. Rogue One.
Rogue One.
Art of Coloring.
That's really cool. Oh, there's a bunch to go. It's like a really adult coloring book.
Yeah, I have a couple of adult coloring books, but I don't have a Star Wars.
Oh, that's really, really cool. Those are cool though. There's like awesome little adult colors.
Yeah.
And then I think we got a bunch of promo stuff. I
A
think we got a
bookmark.
card.
Cinderella bookmark.
Oh, it's a puzzle. It's a color me puzzle.
What? And then you pop it out. Oh.
Yeah.
A bookmark.
Oh, okay.
Cinderella bookmark. I'm keeping this box forever. So cute.
I really like
And
that.
just some worms, but the inside of this
Just
is
some
so
worms.
freaking cute.
Yeah. Is that a little token?
Congrats, you just won a free Walt Disney pin.
That's what you love. You love the pins.
I love
We
pins.
got a huge pin collection, so that'll be awesome.
If you want to see a pin collection video, let me know in the comments below.
Collect the word Walt. We got little mini games, so if you keep getting them, you keep getting the coins, you can get different things. But we got an instant win.
So we won a pin. Yay! That was a good box.
Yeah, Walt Life, that was awesome.
Yeah.
Love that box.
I love that you can like choose what you get too.
I think so.
I wonder what it would be like if you got like female toy princesses. and
Probably
stuff
like
that.
princessy, a little more pink in there. I'm really excited about like the coasters and the dish rag and the water bottle that I'm going to steal from you constantly.
No. So that's pretty much it.
Yep, we did a thing.
Thanks again to Walt Life. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I will link them down in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Disney subscription boxes, because I do. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.